Sanbonan babukeli nabathandi bayo iDabula TV ekhuluma nani uyo Professor CM Likhuleni ngikhuluma nani ngihlezi ngithe du esigodlweni sami la enkangala abaningi bathi kanti Professor uyephi ngithi hayi khona madoda ngikhona ngithe ngihlezi ngithe du ngikhalelwa abantu ubusuku nemini bathi Professor kanti uKB uyephi uKB bafowethu sesekhona angeka yendawo umalume wakhona niyamazi unabazukulu bakhe abathandayo ubunolo ukarabo udirile ngingako ngisibathoda nalendoda sahlanganiswa idluza sihlanganisanga magayi ihlahla kanti noma sihlanganisanga magayi ihlahla sahlanganisa idluza kanenhliziyo zethu ziyahlangana nithi bafowethu soze sihlukaniswe ukufa ngeke kuphinde sihlukanise noma isicitho bazamile abanye basithumela bathi bazama kusishanga iticitho bathi bazama kusishanga ama lightning hayi solo bahluleka break bamthumelele ezinye izinto zajika semotweni sengisho ukuthi bafowethu ngakuzama konke abanye bazamile neinkabi ukuthi bafunisise ukuthi kahle le ndoda bangayikhona njani kanti hawu bafowethu assist siyawudla umuntu ke
100%.
yeah
Thanks, Prof. Thanks, ngiyabonga ababukeli be Dabula TV. Thanks for welcoming me. Thanks, Prof, for welcoming me. Futhi, unyaka umusha 2024. But this year we are going to reclaim what is meant for us.
Yes.
Unyaka ukubuyisa izinto zethu that were supposed to be with us, but they are somewhere. So we are reclaiming everything that is due to us. It's the year of breakthrough, as Prof has said. Thanks for welcoming me, Prof. Prof, not to say Guti, I'm trying to rehash my issue. There seems to be a bit of confusion and also other issues in Isikhwama Sabomashonisa. First, you had Isikhwama Sabomashonisa that you introduced to the people. People wanted to know what the seven Zaganjani. We explained everything. But then at the same time, there were also people that were calling Batibona, they were not aware of Isikhwama Sabomashonisa, number one. Number two, then, waleti swiri wa cause another confusion happen abantu sebahlanganisa iswiri nesikhwama sabomashonisa ngithola abamashonisa bayamfonela bathi bafuna iswiri ngithi wena umashonisa you know what I mean. So there's a lot of confusion. Ngicela ukuthi for 2024 isaqala manje, can we please clarify isikhwama sabomashonisa sibusha so that people have an understanding ukuthi what is isikhwama sabomashonisa, who is it meant for, what does it do, how does it differ from iswiri and other things zokureturn imali yakho after it's taken by somebody else.
yes ngiyabonga BraKB ngibonge kakhulu nami ngizwile le ndaba so ngathi kuyizwa ngathi ithi ngikubize masisha ngoba sengiyabona ukuthi manje sizofa BraKB sibulawe ukuthi umuntu athi no prof ayichazanga njalo ngangikhaza lesikhwama lesi mangithi isikhwama sabomashonisa isikhwama sabomashonisa umashonisa othathe yakhe imali ayibuyise ngama interest so nesitsuri akuhlangani asifani ngani ngoba isitsuri ileso ukuthi BraKB nginike 200,000 ngitokubuyisela yona ngengakangaka awungizaliseli so ziyahluka lezi so umuntu ofanele umuntu othi mina imali yami buya nama interest but abantu abangibhadali or abantu bayenza simnika lesikhwama lesi ngilesitoyenda ukuthi imali yalomuntu ikwadi ukuthinteka lo muntu athinteke alahleli khona abuyisa imali yakho mase sizone nge25 imhlukumeze lento ngani ngoba manje uma ngabe uthi hayi prof mina ngifuna matsuri sisebenzela umuntu othe wena naye nangatshoniselani kodwa kwaba umuntu othi hayi prof man ngisize ngemali I will bring it back so abantu sebasoka baba ne conversion ukuthi hayi man prof mina ngifuna isitsuri ngifuna isikhwama samashonisa ngifuna you will choose for me. And also to clarify on that, I don't choose for people because tomorrow the person will come back and say prof you said this thing is going to work for me, so I need a person akasuke ekhaya namadlo zakhe azi ukuthi I'm going to Lukhuleni to fetch isikhwama Shonisa. Isikhwama samashonisa siyenza abantu abathethe imali yakho bayibuyise. Ungaloku landelana nabantu. Ungaloku wenza in kodwa uma usiphethe lesikhwama umuntu othethe i500 rand yakho athi ngizoyibisa ngi10. Futhi ngisigaranteze ukuthi akudingi nokuthi uzubambe ama-ID abantu or amakhadi eSARS ukuthi ngeke usibone ukuthi sesebenza. Ngidinga mina ukuthi umuntu asithatha asithemba athathe imali yakhe asikhulumise athi nayi imali hlalana la. Mayihamba le mali ithatha ngiyitransfera ngefoni ngiyazi ukuthi le mali ngikhiphile lo ugadele imali la ekhaya ukuthi ingapheli ibuye. So uzohamba yenza iplan ukuthi ayibuyise back.
Okay, so now just to go back to the basics, I see this thing on Zoho TV or Dawla TV ngifuna ukusithatha. What are the steps I'm going to have to follow before install?
Uma ufika la ekhaya sikuthatha lo muntu asikufutha sikwenzini wena ufuna into elo kanjani unless wena uthi no prof I want first to start ngihlole not ukuthi kumele vele uhlole because you know wena ukuthi ngumashonisa. But and then hayi ngifuna ukuhlola nezinye izinto lapha ngeke ngikuvalele ukuthi hlola or njani. But uma ufika uthi prof ngiphethe 20,000 ideposit yesikhwama samashonisa bese into le ngifika ngiyenze ngena nawe emsamo. Mangena nawe emsamo ngithatha irazor yami ngisike nje inhlanga tibe dinzathu bese ngifaka lo muthi. Mawuthi no prof ngithule phela ufaka nesithunzi sewuyadela wena but mina mawuze ne 20,000 asizi sijikajike siyele ubeka i20,000 phansi siyayiphahlela emakhosini masiqeda lapho siyale endlini yakhona la sicabana khona ngifike ngikugabe ngikunike lesikhwama uhambe uziyele ekhaya mawufika ekhaya ufike usibike futhi bese siyaqala ke manje sigada le mali la ekhaya.
So let's just talk about prices quickly. So the deposit is 20,000.
Yeah, so na 40.
So na is 40,000.
It's 40K.
So you come with 20.
20 ngiyakunikeza.
Okay.
And then bese siyalungisa. And also to clarify on some issues. Yekelani bafowethu ukuthi ngisaswipe. Pre-KB I told you angisaswipe. Angisanawo nomshini. Ngangiya advertise if being now. Angisaswipe bafowethu uza ne cash. If ufuna ukuswipe ungezi la ekhaya ngoba si prof kuboni izolo benginabanye abantu akuboni una speed point. No guys angisanazi speed point usithethe to Standard Bank utasiyenza imali. So namakhosi nawo akasafuni imali yokuswipe because of manje le mali awusaniki wona ngangawancenga bavuma sebabona ukuthi no imali ezimsama ayikho and abantu futhi mabazinyangini remember ungeze enyangeni uphuza utshwala ngoma uphuza utshwala kusana angisakhulumi nawe sengikhuluma nawe nebhiya. So ngifuna ukuthi uma uza la ekhaya ungaphuzi utshwala abantu bala ekhaya bakhathata kakhulu. Nawe uma uphuza utshwala maybe kusho ukuthi ufuna baphathele 18 years uzoqolisa ngalo ukuthi hey nami ngiyaphuza nani phuzani. But ukuya enyangeni so udakiwe ngibona ku useless because of yonke into soyikhuluma yongena ngapha iphume ngapha bese kusasa ujike futhi ukhale ngoprofessor. Please angisaswipe ngisayiphinda futhi sengizokhuluma ko wonke lama video ngoba labantu abalalini angisaswipe cash only.
Okay, just back to Isikhwama Sabomashonisa Pro. So manje you come here and then we draw your hammer. The other question that always comes up is protection. Mina obviously because ngiyashonisa, sometimes I keep loads of cash endlini. Sometimes I have people that might try to rob me. I also have a problem with people if I lend them money, they might tell me to go to Fotzek, basically. I-protection ikhona lapho ngaphakathi. What's the story ngesikhwama Sabomashonisa?
Yes, ezingithi siyaconnecta. Siyophinda sikufakele futhi siyokuvikela ukuthi vele ngingakugabangini. Angisho yonke into kufuna ngibe nesithundu. Phakathi ngeke kube umashonisa bangakusaba. Kufuneka umuntu mawuvela umnika imali yakhe uthi that's why futhi okunye uma umashonisa awuyenzi bangani ukubusiness awukuhleki namuntu. Ngiyengitshela abanye abaningi ngithi angisemngabangani benu mina ngudokotela mawuze ka doctor sisebenza ngalo sebenza ngako makuphela kuphelile sibangani asisihlobo.
Okay.
Phela lapho.
So this is another big differentiator between Isikhwama Sabomashonisa and the Tswiri because
they're so different.
Especially with regards to protection. All right, so it's 40,000. You go home, and then from there you'll do whatever you are instructed to do Mongena when you get home, and then from there it's and you say Uti, there's no need to start doing a lot of admin, whatever.
Uma unomuthi prakepi, you must trust ukuthi nginento. And then I doubt, that's why I don't have bodyguards, because I have medicine. Nami ngisebenza ngemali bangafika la bangenela intumbini bayithathe bahambe, but ngeke bakhona because of nginani, nginemithi, ngidla umuthi. So umuntu maqala acabanga kungenzele okubi, uyacabanga cabangisisa ukuthi konje lapha ngangena ngingaphuma.
All right, siyabonga ngeprof.